Hey guys, welcome back to Car Spec Garage. Today's episode is looking at or reviewing the new 992 911 wheels that I just had installed on my 2020 Porsche. Let's get started. All right, and we're back. So I've got the Porsche on the lift. So I just want to show you the rims kind of at a try to do as level as possible here. So as you can see, these are the new Aston Forge wheels. And you know, they got this lovely red stripe that goes around the edge of the wheel. And I think it absolutely, if we step back, and there we go. I think that it absolutely looks fantastic. I think it ties in well. Now, one of the really cool things, of course, is making these wheels look like they are center lock wheels, but they're not. So as you can see here, and I've showed in the previous video, this just kind of unscrews. And then there's 3 screws on this plate here, and I'll kind of show you the edge here, how it goes here. That pops off, and then your lug nuts are sitting right there. And again, I think that they absolutely look fabulous, and I am so glad that I partnered with Aston Forge on these wheels, because to me, it completely, as we step back again, it completely changes the look of the car. Now, the second phase is going to be replacing this spoiler here with an Aero Kit one, which is on its way. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, I'll get it and we can start that project. But I was glad to get the wheels on now, because I'm going to Amelia Island for the big car show down there. And there's some kind of a Porsche corral that we're going to be a part of. So I'm really, really excited about getting on the road tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get a video of it. But back to the wheels. I mean, as you can look, I mean, they are hugging right here. I thought that I was going to need the offset wasn't going to be good enough, or I needed to maybe put spacers, but I don't know. I don't think I do. Kind of come and run along the edge here, as you can see. I mean, I don't know. I think they're pretty far out. Now, I'll say one thing. I might get about ½ an inch lower on the car, so I might replace the springs on the car just to drop it just a little bit, almost give it that GT3 stance. In a way. But let me come over on this side here. Oh, you got to like my new tag, A flat 6. I want it flat 6, but it was taken. So A flat 6 is perfect. At least it's better than nothing. Okay, so here we go. So the passenger side of the car, again, I really do believe that I might lower it. I just don't know yet. I mean, I don't want it to ride too rough. I enjoy the kind of the GT touring aspect of the car, so I don't want it to ride real rough. But I think dropping it about ½ an inch would really make this thing look good, and just kind of get off to the side. The car is a little dirty, but it's been raining here in Birmingham area, so there's no time to wash the car. But as you can see, I mean, everything just fits perfect. Again, you unscrew the center cap or the center lock. There's a little plastic tool. It was kind of 3D printed that grabs it and you untwist it off, and then you snug it in. And then here you can see the outline edge. So 3 screws, pop that off, and there's your lug nuts. So project number two is done. Wheels are installed, absolutely love them. I think it just gives this car just such a better look than the original wheels, and I'll show you those here in a second. Project number 1, of course, was from Suncoast Parts, I think it is. They have not sponsored this video. Aston Forge has sponsored this video. They gave me these wheels at a really good price to work with them. So I'm very, very happy to have partnered with these guys. I think they're around $4,200 for the wheels, which I don't think is that expensive for forged aluminum wheels, especially that look like this. And they're 21s in the rear and 20s in the front, of course. But getting back, So absolutely love the GT3 side skirts. I think they look absolutely awesome, and they tie the car in as well. We'll come around here to the front. And let me come back around. So again, look of the new Aston Forge wheels. I think they look great for the 992. Definitely go out to their website, order them, send them an email. They're easy to work with. I will link their information below on the video. Now, just to kind of end it, these are in plastic right now. So, but these are the wheels, the stock wheels. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't know if I'm just going to sell them or keep them. I'm not sure, but they're in really, really, really good shape. Maybe a few little blemishes here and there, but it's hard to see with the plastic on them. But they're in real good shape. I think that makes somebody a really nice set of wheels. And if they wanted to powder coat them black or another color, they could easily do that. So there you have it. My 2020 911, 992 911 with the new Aston Forge center lock style wheels, but not center lock. So till the next video, make it a great day. Please like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.